Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So today I want to be talking about a new subscription box that I ordered from Eyescream Beauty. So this is my first time receiving this box and I'm so excited because I want to see what's inside. So if you want to see everything inside the box, keep on watching. So yeah, look how cute this packaging is. Isn't that freaking adorable? First, I want to let you know some information about this subscription box. It's $25 a month flat. With BoxyCharm in Puerto Rico, it would be $30 instead of $25, so I would pay $5 extra. But with this one, it's just $25. It's a Latina-owned beauty box, which is awesome. And what really caught my attention is that it guarantees an eyeshadow palette in every month, so that's good. And the products inside, it could be from 5 to 7 products, so that's pretty good too, because normally it's usually just 5 products in subscription boxes, like the regular base box. This one actually, it could include up to 7 products in the box, so that's pretty good. So enough talking, let me open this up. It comes securely wrapped with the little foamies that look like chips, but they're not. Don't eat them. This is the card with all the information of the products inside and the retail prices. So let me just take this out of the way. Isn't this fun? I always find this fun. Don't know why. Oh, okay. I've seen a couple of videos about the May box, and I think I got the May box instead of the June box because I think I ordered mine's like the 3rd or the 4th of June, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna get June's box or May's box, so I got May's box. I'm pretty sure because I've seen all of this in the May subscription box from other videos. So that means that probably I'm gonna get another one in June, hopefully. So yeah, it says it right here, May. So this is the May box, which looked pretty good. It brings some eyeshadow singles. It's actually an eyeshadow bundle. This box includes actually 6 products, which would be the eyeshadow bundle. I'm going to show you in a second. It's actually these right here. I'm going to show you the colors. Those and this one. So let me see the colors. This bundle is from IBY Beauty and it retails for $25, all 5. Okay, so the first one is Ocean Awakening, called Marine, shade Marine. Cute packaging. That's the color. Gorgeous blue. That is very pretty. I don't know what color. Let me see what color is this one. This was in shade Vitamin C. C as in ocean. This one's a yellow. I haven't done a yellow look in a long time. That yellow looks nice. And this one is in Lighten and it's called Balance. I think this is a shimmer color. Yeah. Very pretty. It's very cute. Very creamy. The next one is called Painted Lady. I actually don't have an orange like this. It's a pretty orange. And I'm not too fond of orange, but that one looks pretty nice. And I have a yellow. I could do a sunset look. And I have blue. Very summery. Summer looks. And the last one is called No Running. I see a purple packaging, so let me see. I think it's going to be purple. Yes. More like a satin finish. It's very pretty. That is so pretty. Okay, so those are all 5. Then the next thing I see here is this one. Base Blue. This is a blush and eyeshadow palette. It retails for $42. So you could use it for your eyes or you could use it for your cheeks. Yeah, I've seen this. I think I'm going to use this one as a blush right here. Very pretty. So yeah, I have options for eyeshadows. Then I see here a lip defining pencil. And it retails for $22. Feels soft. And the next item, Lash Dash Magnetic Eyeliner. I've never tried magnetic eyelashes, so I'm super excited for this. This retails for $13. It's right here. Super excited to see how that works. And of course the lashes, which is also for $13. And they look very pretty. So that goes together with the eyeliner. And last is, I think, a lip product. Matte Liquid Lipstick by Basic Beauty. And this retails for $16. In shade Ombre. Ooh, looks pretty. I think on camera it looks more orange, but I don't think it is. Oh, that's a nice color. It's like a brownish color. On camera it looks orange, but in person it's more brownish. So yeah, let me add up everything and let you know how much everything retails for. Okay, so I added everything up and it all adds up to $131 and I only paid $25. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So I'm gonna get ready to put everything on my face. So that's everything. I tried everything. For the eyeshadows, I used all 5 and I like them all. They're good quality, they blend super easily, they have pigment, and it was really easy to work with. So I used these 2 and I like that color. It's very pretty. So if you want me to try this eyeshadow palette in another video separately, just using these on my eyes, let me know. I can totally do that. I think the thing that surprised me the most was the magnetic eyeliner with the magnetic eyelashes. Super easy to apply. If this lasts on me all day without popping out or falling off, this is gonna be my new go-to. If they stay on all day, this is gonna be my new favorite thing. So I'm gonna let you know how they work in the description box. So for the lips, I try to use both, but the lip liner is very light, so it doesn't go with this shade. So I ended up just putting this one all over my lips without a lip liner. but the shade is very pretty. It's just, it goes with a nude color, and this one's darker. And this one is a little bit on the sticky side, not a lot. I gotta see if maybe it's still not fully dry. It feels a little bit sticky. I'll let you know in the description box how it wore, if it lasted, if it chipped off, or if the stickiness lasted all day, because I don't like sticky nothing. But the color is very beautiful. It looks orange on camera, but it's not. It's like a brown, a warm brown. So I'm super happy with what I got in my box. And the best part is that every item in the box was makeup. I had no skincare at all, which I was expecting maybe one or two products to be skincare, but it wasn't. Everything was makeup, and that's awesome. So I really enjoyed this box. Hopefully throughout the months I'll enjoy all of them, and I'll let you know my thoughts on every box. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.